Welcome to the magical world of science. Today, we're going to explore the mysterious journey of forces and how we can measure them using a special tool called a Forcemeter. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm thrilled to be joined by a very curious scientist in the making, Kaira. Have you ever been on a roller coaster?
Yes, it's so much fun.
Exactly. When you're on a roller coaster, you feel all sorts of pushes and pulls. Those are forces at work. Can you think of any other places where you might feel forces?
Maybe when I'm swinging on a swing.
That's a great example. Forces are all around us, and today we're going to learn how to measure them using a force meter. Do you know what a force meter is?
Not really. Is it like a ruler?
Good guess. A force meter is a tool that helps us measure how strong a force is, just like a ruler measures length. Let's make a simple one together. We'll need a rubber band, 2 paper clips, a piece of cardboard, glue, and some lined paper.
Wow, that sounds fun. What do we do first?
First, we'll attach the rubber band to the cardboard using the paper clips. Then, we'll mark the end of the rubber band as 0 and number each line below it. This will help us measure how much the rubber band stretches when we pull on it.
So the more it stretches, the stronger the force?
Exactly. Now, let's talk about units. Do you know what a unit is?
Is it like a number?
Kind of. Units are like labels that tell us what we're measuring. For example, we use meters to measure length and seconds to measure time. The standard unit for force is called a newton, named after a famous scientist, Isaac Newton.
Why do we need standard units?
Great question. Standard units help everyone understand and compare measurements, no matter where they are in the world. It's like speaking the same language in science.
That makes sense. So, how do we make our force meter measure in newtons?
We'll use a 100-gram mass, which weighs about 1 newton on Earth. By marking where the rubber band stretches with this weight, we can create a scale in newtons.
Cool. Can we measure other things too?
Absolutely. Once you have your force meter ready, you can measure the force needed to move different objects and even make a bar chart of your results. It's like being a real scientist.
I can't wait to try it out.
Before we wrap up, can you tell me what you've learned today?
I learned that forces are pushes and pulls, and we can measure them with a force meter using newtons.
Fantastic. Thank you for joining the magical world of science. Keep being curious, and remember, there's always more to discover in science.